In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate your transaction ID or TXID on Binance using the website interface. This is an essential skill for anyone handling cryptocurrency transactions, as the TXID serves as a unique identifier for each transaction, allowing you to track and confirm them on the blockchain. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Binance account. Head to the Binance website and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard, which serves as your gateway to all of Binance's features. Now, your next move is to navigate to your wallet. This is essentially the area where all your financial activity on Binance is centralized. To do this, you'll want to hover your mouse over the Wallet option located at the top of the page in the main menu. Alternatively, you can click directly on it if that's more convenient for you. Once you've accessed the Wallet section, you should see a drop-down menu. Here, you'll want to focus on Transaction History. This is where Binance keeps a ledger-like record of all the transactions you've conducted, providing a complete timeline of your activity. Now, within the transaction history, you'll see a detailed list of your transactions. These transactions are organized in a table format, presenting important details like dates, types, and amounts transferred. This is where we zero in on our main objective, the transaction ID or TXID. To locate it, simply browse through the list until you find the transaction you're interested in. It's similar to scanning through bank statements to find a specific transaction. Next to your transaction, you should see a column labeled with your TXID. This series of letters and numbers uniquely identifies that specific transaction on the blockchain. If you're dealing with a high volume of transactions or just can't seem to find the one you're looking for, don't worry. Binance often provides filters or search functionalities within this section that you can use to streamline your search by inputting specific transaction details. This can be especially handy when you're in need of precise tracking or confirmation. It's important to note that these steps are essential when you want to verify your transactions on the blockchain or troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Knowing how to access and interpret your TXID can spare you countless uncertainties when trading cryptocurrencies. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to finding your transaction ID on Binance. Being able to locate your TXID is a crucial part of managing your cryptocurrency transactions effectively, helping ensure transparency and trackability. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to keep practicing these steps to familiarize yourself further. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.